Hello, my people. Welcome back to Rabia Unfolded. Today, we're turning frozen bananas into soft, fluffy, dreamy banana waffles. And yes, they're ridiculously easy and so worth it. Let's go. So, first things first, I laid out all my ingredients like a little breakfast rainbow: some flour, sugar, eggs, melted butter, and of course, my star of the show: 1 cup of told frozen bananas. One quick little tip: if you want to know how I freeze my bananas for baking, I'll link that video right here. And trust me, it's a game changer and you don't want to miss it. I'm also using buttermilk this time because we like our waffles soft and extra cozy, along with baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, a little maple syrup, and salt to taste. Now let's get mixing. I crack my eggs in a nice clean bowl. And yes, I'm one of those people who secretly love cracking eggs. Then I add in sugar, melted butter, and vanilla. And I whisk until it's smooth, creamy, and fluffy. Next, I add in my milk in portions. Slowly, like a pro, mixing in between until everything's perfectly combined. Meanwhile, in a nice little bowl, I add in my salt, my baking soda, my baking powder, and I mix everything together nicely. Then I go ahead and sift in half of my flour into the wet mixture first, along with half of the dry ingredients I mixed in this little nice bowl. Mix, mix, mix. Then it's banana time. I gently pour the thawed frozen banana into a bowl, mash those thawed bananas in, and fold them gently. Play nice, don't overmix, beautiful souls. You want fluffiness and not pancakes pretending to be waffles. Now the rest of the flours and dry ingredients go in. I sieve them nicely. Mix just until combined.
Rabia Unfolded, where my world comes alive.
And we let the batter chill for a hot minute. Or well, as much as you can wait because it smells amazing already. While all that's mixing, my waffle maker has been heating up, getting ready for its starring role. I brush it with melted butter because sticky waffles are no fun.
African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life.
Now comes my favorite part: pouring that batter in. Look at the spread, beautiful souls. Yes, that's a perfect slow motion moment right here. Close it, wait 5 to 6 minutes, or depending on your waffle maker. Know your machine, beautiful souls. For my own machine, when I see steam coming out like this, bam, that's your waffle telling you it's ready. The first waffle might stick. Don't freak out, my people. It's totally normal. Keep going, and the next one will come out golden and perfect.
Unfolded, simple moments fully shown.
Seriously, this process, it's just so satisfying.
From my hands to your heart, welcome home.
Continue until all your batter's turned into this beautiful, nice looking and smelling good waffles. Then you can serve it. To serve, I stick the waffles on a plate like a little tower of happiness. I added some fresh banana slices on top and in between because why not, right? It's already banana waffles, so we just want to make it banana, banana, banana all the way. I drizzle with my maple syrup. Go slow, go fancy. Oh, how nice and satisfying this feels. And I finished with a little sprinkle of powdered sugar for that chefy magic touch. And oh, the smell while this cooked. You guys, it's like a hawk in the kitchen. Just so satisfying. And yes, my beautiful people, if you've got frozen bananas sitting around, this is your sign to turn them into pure joy on a plate. It's simple, fun, and honestly, totally delicious. Remember, beautiful souls, a little love, a little patience, and a lot of flavor. That's how we do it here at Rabia Unfolded. And yes, of course, this is Rabia Unfolded where African warmth meets global flavor. Cooking should feel fun, comforting, and like you're at home, even if it's just you in your kitchen. If you had fun with this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves waffles. And tell me in the comments, are you team syrup or team chocolate chips on top? I need to know. Thank you so very much for staying with me throughout this video. I really do appreciate. Until next time, see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.